An LED is a light-emitting PN junction diode. A PN junction diode emits light when forward biased. The intensity of light emitted depends on the forward current supply. The basic structure of a light-emitting diode is as shown in the figure. A p-type layer is grown on an n-type substrate by diffusion process. The metal connections are made to both the layers called as anode and cathode terminals. When the recombination process between electrons and holes takes place, light energy is released at the junction. Forward biasing of an LED enables the electrons and holes to move towards the junction, thereby allowing the recombination process to take place. After passing through the P region, the light is emitted through the surface. The energy difference between the valence and the conduction band is emitted in the form of light.